We are going to Montelle Winery for a Mother's Day brunch. We are here for a Mother's Day brunch.
Nice to meet you. Good morning. How are you?
It's a little rainy out, so this is indoors. Pretty much.
Okay.
You want strawberry or no?
Yeah,
Is that enough?
that looks good.
Okay, so this stays here for other people to use. Eggs. Potatoes.
Throw
What would you like?
a couple pieces of kiwi on top of that salad. Thank you. A little scoop of egg.
Bigger scoop?
A little bigger scoop. Thank
Give me
you.
another chunk.
It looks really good. And then,
Taters?
Yes. You know,
Taters.
yeah, you know I love taters.
More?
Just a little
Oh,
scoop.
I garnished it for you.
Alright, that looks good. I can always come
More
back.
garnish.
Biscuits and gravy.
Some sausage?
No, not yet.
Why not?
I'll come, because you know me, I'm not a huge food eater.
Oh, maybe you don't have some sausage.
French toast.
Come on, you gotta get one of those.
I know. You think you can find room on my plate for one of those?
Plenty of room. I still see white. That means plenty of room.
Eggs Benedict. And they got little shrimp
You want a
cocktails.
cocktail?
Yes, absolutely. You can find a room somewhere.
There's always room for more.
Is there another spot for a second one?
Yeah? So we can use the bed of lettuce.
Use the and that's probably chicken salad and vegetables. I ran out of plates. We'll have to come back. Quiches. Oh, they have salmon.
Hello.
Hello. We ran out of room. We'll have to come back. And then they have a cereal bar.
All right.
It looks very good. Will you hold this?
Yeah.
Alright, second trip. I got the French toast, pork, some hors d'oeuvres, and more shrimp because I love shrimp. And then wrap it up. Yeah. Alright, the dessert bar, chocolate cake. Oh my goodness, cookies, cheesecakes. What are you thinking?
You know, one thing that I'm definitely getting.
There you go. You want the cheesecake with the chocolate on the bottom or that strawberry on the bottom back there?
Oh, they got strawberry. I'll grab the strawberry.
I can.
No, I can get it.
You got it? I'll carry that.
Okay. What would you like?
I actually don't see anything I want.
Lemon bar?
Nope. I'm not seeing anything I
Chocolate
want.
lava cake?
I think I might just go up and get more kiwi. I'll be
You
happy.
don't want to
with-
even try this?
I don't want chocolate cake. I had it yesterday. Listen, I love kiwi. I'll just get some kiwi.
If you're not going to get it, then I will.
The
Here we
cookies
go.
look good, but
Bob and his cake slicing ability. Here we go. Oh.
there you go. You didn't drop that. There you go.
Look at that.
Look at that.
I can do it.
No problem. Alright, my dessert is going to be the kiwi with the cream cheese.
And chocolate cake.
Is that for me?
Yep.
It does look good, but I'm going to eat the kiwi. Alright, so this is the actual winery part. to the public right now besides the Mother's Day brunch, which is sold out. So, and then I have an outdoor patio. I've done a video on this place before because this is one of our favorite wineries. Happy Mother's Day! We just left Montelle Winery. Robert took me to a Mother's Day brunch. It was reservations only, and they like personalized the menus. It was pretty awesome. We have been to Montelle Winery before just for a wine tasting. You're okay on my side. And that was the first time. They have like a banquet room, and we didn't realize that. And so it was kind of, you know, buffet style, kind of reminding me of a wedding, but it was perfect. I loved it. The seating was nice. The buffet was awesome. I loved everything about it. It was something different. We really enjoyed it. I didn't know they did that, so that was a new experience. I'm glad we got there early because it was getting crowded. A lot of the table, only a couple of the tables were 2-people tables. A lot of big groups celebrating Mother's Day with all their family members, which is great. It's just the tables were a little too close together, and so it made it hard getting around. But the buffet setup was perfect, that it had enough space. And then we got free sangrias, and it was an orange juice, fruit, strawberry based sangria. I mean, there's all kinds of different types of sangrias, but I asked. It was whatever their champagne is, plus Sprite, plus orange juice, plus strawberries. Oh my god, and a little bit of brandy. It was so good. I could have like had another glass, which you could buy another glass, but I didn't want to be, you know, tipsy this afternoon. But we're gonna look that recipe up online and make our own version because it was awesome. And yeah, Robert, did you have a nice time?
Yeah, it was nice. It's a nice place to go. It's got a nice view.
It was a nice view.
Like on an afternoon, if it's not raining. Today it's raining.
Yeah, we could, if it wasn't raining, we would have stayed for some wine tasting afterwards. But it's been, I'm sure everyone is experiencing it in the Midwest. It's just raining nonstop. Lots of flooding in the St. Louis area, lots of flooding around the surrounding states. So, you know, it's a
very scenic winery though. If you sit outside, it's very scenic. It's a pretty view. It's a very pretty view. So it's you don't get a view from a lot of wineries. This is one of those that you can though.
Yeah. So I definitely recommend it. I am sure if you're from St. Louis, they will have other events. So if you ever see Montelle Winery having a private reservation dinner or brunch, definitely recommend it. Whoever caters for them, or if they do it themselves, it's very, very good. All the food was awesome. The pork loin, oh my god, whatever the rub on it was, so good. So good. There was nothing we didn't like. So the dessert, Robert liked all the desserts. I didn't see any I liked. It's just me being picky because Robert got me like awesome chocolate for Easter, and I'm still eating that. So I'm kind of sweeted out. But Robert found a cheesecake he liked, and that was nice. I just had kiwi. Anyway, that's it. I don't know, I think we're gonna go to Six Flags this afternoon. Maybe. I don't know. It wasn't supposed to rain today, but it's cloudy and it's raining, so maybe we'll just go home and relax with the cats. So they got me the cutest Mother's Day card. This card like makes cat sounds. I love my cats.
Should have seen trying to get them all in the car to go pick up the card.
I'm sure you took them with you.
Yes. That was the worst part of the whole thing.
Maybe I'll add the card to the end of this video because I am just a mother of cats.
And I'm an expert cat herder, so.
And he's a cat herder.
Yes.
I technically don't have any human children. I'm just a mother of animals, and it works for me. I'm fine with that. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later. Here's my Mother's Day flowers, and here's the cutest card ever.